Yeah, today I just want to show you some things. Yeah, so I saw something trending that Maya has lost his account. His account has been hacked, and so blah blah blah. But the thing is, the account is not hacked. The account is not hacked. He's lying. He's lying. The account is not hacked. Let me show you the reason why I said it's lying. Yeah, so let's go to YouTube and let me show you something. Do you know something? In Ghana, a lot of people don't know much about sex. So, Charlie, Obi ultimately did not join head up. But, like, Udimai knows that his account is not hacked. He knows it. Yeah. So, MicroStrategy is it's a Bitcoin and Litecoin agency. Like it's a big company. And today, so let me say this week, they are hosting a big live seminar. So if you want them to stream from your Facebook account, they will pay you off. Then they will hide all your videos and they will do their live streams on your channel. So when the 1 week reach, then you get your account back. So with Maya just sold his account to them for just a week for them to do the streaming. Yeah, so the account is not hacked. Yeah, so like he's just seeking for attention. He knows that his account is not hacked. Let me tell you something. If you come to YouTube, you see that we have home, like we have videos, short and live. Have you noticed something? There's no video and short. That means there's a video over there, but the video has not hide. So they have hide the videos. Let me go to community and show something. You see community, they said this video isn't publicly available. That means it's hide. They have hide the videos. Yeah, they have hide the videos. And let me show you something. Do you know, have you seen this one? The total views on the channel is 100 million. So let me say something. If you delete a video from your YouTube channel, like you will not see anything like 100 million. You will see that it will be zero views. It will be zero views. But because the video, there's a video over there, but the video has been hide. That's why you can see that we have 100 million views over here, 193 million views over here. That means there's a video over there, but the video has been hide, has been hide. So don't be deceived. Maya knows that his account has not been hacked. His account has not been hacked. Like he just sold account to them, to MicroStrategy, for them to raise funds over there, for them to do the live interviews. Let me show something. Let me search Michael Saylor and see something. I want to show something. Yeah. So if you sell your account to them, they will automatically change your name to their name for a week. Yeah. So after the week, then you get your account back to normal. Yeah. So this person also sold the account to them. So let me prove something to you. Let me watch the video and see something. For you to see something. You see, they are also streaming from there, and you see, they're also streaming from there. Let me log in for you to see something. And this one, the name was Strategy like 1 hour ago, and now it's back to the original name. But I don't know whether this one is MicroStrategy in their language or something like that. So let me open it for you to see something. You see, they are also what hide every video over there. And I will say that you will not see any videos there, any shot there. But when you go to community, when you go to about, you see that we have 87 million views over there. That means there's a videos over there, but the videos have been hide. Yeah, because you see that it's something. So right now you see, so like we have MicroStrategy over there. Have you see that? they have strategy over there. So when you sell your account over to them for a week, they will change your name to their name and do their streaming. So after the streaming, then you get your account back to normal with your original name. So don't be deceived that with the Maya her account has been hacked. He knows that the account has not been hacked. He knows it. He sell the account to MicroStrategy for them to do their fundraising and events for just a week. Yeah, so after the 3 days, like he will get the account back to normal. So don't let him deceive you people that my account was hacked and blah 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 blah. I'll get my account back. Hey, so I'm the best. Nah, he just sold the account to them for them to do their videos, their live events. So after the live event, he will get the account back. So thank you for watching my videos. The next thing remain the same, and I'm out.